Are you frustrated or struggling to sustain improvement? Do you leave workshops wishing you could see how the concepts were put in action, or feel like you just wanted to ask somebody who is using it how it worked? Or how did they get started? Or what roadblocks are they running into? I am excited to tell you about our Lean Management in Action workshop that's coming up September 28th and 29th in New York City. In the workshop, participants will have the opportunity to learn the elements of the management system and then go see how it can work and interact with the teams using a management system. The workshop will be hosted by Mount Sinai Morningside in New York. They've been using their management system for many years and have demonstrated some great results, but it wasn't always easy. You'll have the opportunity to see their system in action and ask questions of the team to enhance your own learning. Upon completion of the workshop, you'll be able to describe what good looks like, describe how a management system can help with sustainable improvement, learn how to implement different elements of the management system, and learn how to incorporate the concepts into your own daily work. We are so grateful for the Mount Sinai Morningside team's willingness to have you come to learn with them. We hope you will join us as we learn, share, and connect with Mount Sinai Morningside and others working on ways to sustain improvement through the use of a management system.